how to make smoothies. To make these cold smoothies, use or need are the ingredients. Milk, sugar, coffee, eggs, and bananas. The following instruments are all need: cup, spoon, blender. Instruction 1. A cup of milk and 6 cubes of ice in address to the blender. 2. The ice and milk are added in the blender. 3. 2 bananas are added to mix it. 4. Lumps of bananas are not left of the sponge. They tested if well. 5. The spoon coffee is added to the mix. You can also call if the chocolate if you like. 6. Add 1 or 2 spoons of sugar. It is recommended to make it sweeter, but you can spread this spell for your hair. 7. All the ingredients are mixed in the blender. Recommended mix for 30 seconds. 8. If the sponge is cold, it's ready to service it. 9. The sponge is serviced in glass and cube. The sponge is blender for you.